These days, many utility contractors and municipalities are opting for trenchless construction instead of open cut work in busy urban areas for upgrading water, wastewater, gas, and electrical transmission lines. This means larger machines may need to be brought in to install large diameter products. When this happens, many extra factors need to be considered, like space limitations, job site logistics, drilling fluid management, noise restrictions, and other potential city policies. Let's talk about each one. First, space limitations can be a problem. To avoid any surprises, evaluate your space ahead of time to see if there's any changes you'll have to make to your equipment. You may have to use a drill with a smaller footprint or adjust some of your support equipment. Don't forget to evaluate your available space on the exit side of the bore too. Next, consider your job site's specific location. You may have to make adjustments to the drill's entry angle. You may also need extra crews to direct traffic if your job site is in a populated area. You should also think through your fluid management. You may need to identify a nearby water source and the closest commercial disposal site. It's common in urban jobs to establish a separate mud management site when there isn't enough room to reclaim used drilling fluids. Now let's talk about noise limits. You should check and see if there are any city noise restrictions. If there is, you might have to adjust your operation to work within the limits, or you can file for a permit if you have to exceed it. In addition to noise limits, cities may also have policies that can limit a crew's hours of operations. Do your research beforehand and talk with the utility owner and the inspectors assigned to the project. For your next large diameter utility HDD work, consider these 5 areas if you're working in an urban area. If you have any questions or want more information, go to Vermeer.com.